I love books. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sharnice, and if you're new here, hello, welcome to my channel. Today I have an awesome book review for you guys again this week. It's only one book this time, but it's an awesome book. And so before you continue listening to me talk about this wonderful book, go ahead down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that great notification bell beside it so you'll be notified for the other book reviews and all the other videos that I do in the week. And like this video if you like books, love books. Are you a book addict like me? I love them. So, and also share this video. I will appreciate it very much. So, yeah, sit back and relax and continue watching. So, let's get started with this video. Excited about this book because it was awesome. It was a good book. It was a lengthy book of 72 chapters, but it was good. And it is called Bad Judgments by Meghan March. And this is the lovely book cover. Look at that. You can just stare at the book cover for days, and it's a lovely book cover, okay? So the last couple of book reviews that I've done, if you haven't checked them out, they'll be in the description box below. But the last couple ones I have also said those were really good. And yes, this is a romance novel, and this one is good as well. I am a sucker for romance novels, and loyal to the authors that I always read books from. So this book is just like that, and I love it. So I want to show you why I love it and how I got hooked in with the book by reading the little insert about the book on Meghan March website. I want to read it for you guys because it's so good, and yeah, it will hook you right in. He's so arrogant. She's so self-righteous. I can't stand him. I want her. He's a distraction I don't need. She'll say yes eventually because I'm not giving up. And it goes on saying, Justine Porter, which is the main girl character in the novel, Justine Porter is stuck between a rock and a stripper pole. Like, what? Okay, she lost her law school scholarship. Just being in college, graduating last year, yes, glad I did. I understand the pain of losing money that you need to go through to college. And having a scholarship, yeah, you're going to need that scholarship money. So she lost her scholarship money. And continue on, which means she has two choices to keep her life on track. So two choices. Strip for her tuition, or tutor the most distractingly sexy guy in her class, which was the main guy in the book, Riker Grant. And it continues on saying the one she has been turning down for 2 years straight. The guy is dedicated. It should be an easy choice. But tutoring Riker Grant will derail her plans to graduate with honors faster than 2 for 1 a night at Deja Vu. Then again, topless has never really been her color. She could try the easy road just this once, but the deal has enough loopholes to trip anyone up. Who knew they taught bad judgment in law school? From reading that in your mind, you're like, oh my gosh. Like, this was a good book. I need to buy this now, so I did. So, like I said, it's about Justine Porter and Riker Grant, who is the main two characters who are the fall in love in this book. And I really, really enjoyed it. From the first paragraph in the book, it just pulls you right in, and just goes right into the story and jumps right into Justine Porter's life. And it was so good. It's very understanding because I was in college and had that college life and all that stuff. So I feel and know what they're talking about. And especially in law school, you just imagine law school. You know, it's already stressful enough. But then losing a scholarship and stuff, that is even unbelievable because it was a full ride for her. So she had to find a way to stay in school and graduate or fail and give up. And she was never the person to give up, never the person to be give handouts. So she had to fight and figure out a way for her. But at the same time, she was tutoring. They started to really like each other, her and Riker, and really fall in love at the end of the book. In the book, there was a lot of secrets that she was holding back, and secrets that you found out at the end that he was holding back, and it was finally it all came out, which secrets do finally all come out. And then when you learn about Justine and her life and where she came from, like where she came from when she was younger to like where she is at now, she really is a strong woman and a strong fighter to push herself so she can do better in life and be better than her parents and her young life. So it was very encouraging reading that. The book really showed that everybody's the same, and it's what you do with your life once you be able to get that age to really make your choices and demand your choices, your own choices, is where you take your own individual life, and where you take it is what counts than what you came from when you were younger. So I really enjoyed this book. It was 72 chapters, like I said, but it was a really fast read. The chapters were very fast flowing chapters, and you just, before you know, you're on chapter 40 and you're almost done with the book. I just love this book. Like, why can't I find a guy like Riker Grant or Christian Grey or anybody like that? And yeah, I totally recommend you reading this book. I mean, if you love romance novels and you love reading it and all, you should read it. Grab it. It's a good book. It's definitely not bad at all. It's 72 chapters, but that shouldn't scare you away because it goes by quickly and it's great. Even if for young adults or people in college, read this book. I recommend it. Total 5 stars rating, like 5 stars rating. It was really good. I've also read some other books from Meghan March as well, and those were good too. So if you're interested in reading and looking up more of her books, I'll leave her link to her website down below, so you go ahead down and check that out because I have important information down there. If you want to, go check her website out down in the description box. So this was a really quick book review for you guys. I just had to get on here and tell you about Bad Judgments by Meghan March. It was great. It was good. I loved it. You will love it too. So just give it a chance and read it, please. And before you go and click off this video, stop there and go down and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the great notification bell so you be with this family on here. And also, like this video if you like books, like this video if you have read this book, and like this video if you like Meghan March. Like it. You're gonna love it. And also share this video as well, please. And yeah, thank you so much for clicking on this video, for making it this far, and showing me some love. So I'll catch you next week with another book review and some other fun videos. If you want to check out some of the other videos that I did, like some nail tutorials, some Halloween nail tutorials, some costume design sketches, and all that stuff that I did this week, go and wait to the end and check those videos out. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye.